I'm so excited today. This is your one and only mama, this super. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. I am doing handsomely well. You can see. Today, let's talk about 3 people. In fact, 3 toxic people that you need to clear away from your life. Because with these people in your life, my dear, you go nowhere. You'll be stagnant because they are no good. Number 1, gossipers. You know the way it goes. Gossipers. You don't need them in your life. And if you are one, you have to stop because it will lead you nowhere. You know this type of people, we always have them around us. They can be one of your friends. They can be in your family. They can be your colleague. They can be your classmates. In fact, they are everywhere. They can be your business partner. I swear, they are everywhere. They are everywhere. Everywhere around you, there will be 1 or 2. They always know. In fact, they are the one that they are what they are. Newscaster. What will I call them? Their news travel faster than CNN and BBC. They know everything about every other person. They know everything about Papa D, about Mama D, about Papa E, about Mama E. They know everything. And they are so curious, this type of people. They want to know everything about you. They will be, in fact, they want to come very close to you, pretending they care. I call it pretend. Maybe they might actually care, but when they are bringing down people, they never bring people up. They never talk about the good of anybody. They always see the negative, the bad. Why is it like this? They always question everything that people are doing. But this set of people, most of the time, you don't know about their soul. You don't know about them. They keep their privacy to themselves. But the privacy of other people is their matter. In fact, is what they used to eat and what they used to wake up. So don't forget, if you have such people and you think they are doing you good by bringing you all this news, don't forget one day the way they are bringing Papa D, Mama D, Papa E and Mama E, yours also will be outside. They will also take yours outside because they are bringing in gossip to you. The same way they are looking for ways to gather information from you and pass it to the next people. So this type of people, clear them out. You don't need them because they won't take you to anywhere. You can't be successful around this type of people. And the second people that you need to clear away are the jealous people. The jealous type, you know them. Sometimes it's difficult for you to detect them because these people also, they pretend a lot. They pretend, but sometimes when you are very smart, the way they talk, the way they react, the way they do things, you will know. But most of the times they might tell you, even when you want to get them, they'll say no. They'll come with laughing. No, I didn't mean it, I'm just joking. They are always joking, but it's not true. Take my word for it, it's not true. They are not joking. They meant it. When everybody are telling you, Mama did this, your hair is so nice, this your shirt, I like this, your earring. They are the ones that we always say, and they say they are your friends. They'll say, no, it should have, maybe it's your hair is V, center part or side part. When it's side part, they will say, it should have just be all back. And when you do all back, people are just commenting on it. Oh, you look beautiful on it. They'll say, all back, it should have been center part now. Jealous people, they will never see any good about you. They are so self-centered. Everything about them is perfect. In fact, it has to be them. When it's not involving around them, in fact, that thing is not good. Be it you, be it something. So this type of jealous people, and when they are being jealous like this, it can lead to envy, and it can even lead to death. So we don't need them around at all. You don't need jealous people around, because with jealous people, you can't get to your destination. Your destination will be very far. You can't be close to success at all, because anything good coming your way, they will just be using, you won't see it. Any good thing coming your way, instead of them to advise you good, because they are being jealous, they will tell you, no, they will talk you out of it, that no, this thing is not good now, it's not good for you, why will you go and do this? Why will you do this? It's not, I don't do this, I don't like this. It's okay. This type of people, you have to beware of them. And the number 3 people are the people I call visionless people. What are you doing with them? You better walk alone than walk in a cycle of visionless people, myopic people that can't see. In fact, they can only see from year to year. They can't see far. They cannot imagine what will happen in the next 5 or 10 years, where they will see themselves or where they will see you. Even when you are bringing things that will be beneficial to them, they don't want to. No. They just see only today. They talk about today. They don't talk about tomorrow. They don't think anything about future. When these people are your friends, when you surround such people around you, your way to success will be very, very slim, because you can't have a headway when you are moving around visionless people, because anytime you bring something good, they will talk you out of it. They never see opportunities, never. Always the failure they see failure all the time. They always see all disadvantages. No, challenges is what they see. When you say, let's try this thing's trending now, perhaps it will yield money, or it will bring us to the place where we want to be. No. At this age, am I not too old to go to school? Is this, please, my children will do that. Is it now you want to do that? No. Is it now you want to start that business? Is it now you want to do this? Is it now? They are visionless. In fact, it's better you walk alone. So when you have this set of people around you, clear them away, because with them you can go nowhere, because you'll be stagnant forever. You'll just be roaming around. You'll be roaming around, because you know the English that says, show me your friends and I will tell you the type of person you are. You understand? So you don't need this type of people in your life. The jealous people, you don't need them. The visionless people, in fact, drive them far away from you. Which other ones did we talk about? The gossipers? Those ones. No. In fact, you don't need them at all. These 3 type of people, drive them far away from you, because they are toxic to your life, to your environment, to your future, to everything that pertains to you. So with this, I'm going to say, till I come your way next time, I remain your humble Mama D Super. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, share us out, comment. In fact, you know the next thing now. Do the next thing. I love you guys, but you know it. Jesus loves you best. Bye-bye.